Today what we're going to do is we're going to do my favorite anime tier list. Let's get into it. Now first we got One Punch Man right here. This is going in very amazing. This is season 1 base, so very amazing. Storytelling is great, so is the action scene, and I like Saitama and the way he treats modern day superheroes like Marvel or DC, and it's really good, really W anime. Now this is season 2. Season 2 is kinda meh-ish, so we're gonna put it in meh, obviously. I don't really know how to explain why unless you're a One Punch Man fan. And I think this is Tokyo Ghoul. We'll be putting this in, well, season 1 was good. And this is season 2, we're gonna put it in bad. Straight bad. Okay, Fairy Tail. Fairy Tail, I haven't really watched this yet, but so far it's been great. Black Clover, very good anime. Put it amazing. Lelouch, Geass, personally, this anime's not really for me, so we're gonna be putting it in okay. First season of My Hero, we're gonna put it in great. It's really great. Seasons 1 through 3 is really great, but season 4 and 5 really just fell off. Let me be honest with you. And let's move on Punch Man and Black Clover, and my favorite, because my favorite is personally what I watch. I haven't watched these animes in a minute, but what I personally will watch all the time. Demon Slayer, I'm gonna put in my favorites. Hunter x Hunter, amazing. DBZ is gonna be going in great. Naruto is gonna be going in my favorites. I love, especially like the story arcs of Naruto. I really like it. You know, it's plus one part of the big three, so I'm liking it even more. You know, Naruto and Sasuke are good rivals and good storytelling and good characters. Until Boruto came and messed that up. Okay, JoJo Part 5. This is going in mediocre. Did not like it whatsoever. And let's see who's next. Psyche. Psyche is great. And Bleach is gonna be going in my favorites. I love Bleach. And let's see, One Piece. It's just amazing. Not really a One Piece fan, but I will watch it if I'm bored. So we got that too. There's so much animes on here, but no one's in that. Seven Deadly Sins kind of fell off for me. I fell off the show because I got more better stuff to do. So I'm gonna be putting it just good. OG Dragon Ball. Haven't watched, even though I'm a Dragon Ball fan. So I'll be putting it in. But I have some clips though, so that's a technicality. So I'll be putting it in above good. Naruto Shippuden, I'm gonna be putting this in amazing. Still haven't watched it. I watched it, but I'm still in the beginning of the arc. Let's see what else. Soul Eater, my brother watches it, but I don't watch it. But he probably put it somewhere on amazing, so that's where I'm gonna put it. If he was here, I haven't seen it, so I'm gonna put it in. Okay. Let's see, who else? Trying to find a list. Who else? Who else? Who else? Let's see. Fire Force. I'll be putting this in my favorites. I love Fire Force. So good. Dragon Ball Super is gonna be going in. Some great. Fullmetal Alchemist. Haven't watched this yet, so I don't really have an opinion on it. So we're gonna put this on okay. Tokyo Revengers. I have watched this anime, and it's pretty good. I kind of dropped out because the MC's kind of trash and whiny. So we're gonna put this at. It's great. Let's see. Boruto. I have seen quite episodes of Boruto. Most of it at the beginning just filler. I heard it's popping off right now, or it's doing somewhat good or decent, but it's meh. Matter of fact, bad. Real bad. I don't get why fans of it is. Mob Psycho 100. One of my favorites. I like Kageyama and Raygon and their adventures on doing stuff, you know. It's a really W anime. Let's see. And who else? Dr. Stone, have not watched. So I'm gonna put in okay. Matter of fact, let me change it to you. Haven't watched. Oops. Oh, correct. Haven't watched. Let's see, the second season of Fire Force, I'm starting off, so we're gonna put it in good. Yeah, trying to find more animes here, guys, so. Let's see. Here's another Demon Slayer. I think there's the Mugen Train arc. Okay. Gonna be putting this in one of my favorites. Let's see what else. The other season of My Hero, we're gonna be putting this in. We're gonna be putting this in My Hero Academia. Oh damn, I realized. Okay. We're gonna put it in. Could seem better. Let's see. JJK Zero. Haven't seen it yet. We're gonna see it soon. Children drops on Funimation, so we're gonna put in this at. Haven't watched. there's a lot of stuff here. See if I can find. We got Yu-Gi-Oh! This is gonna be going in. Haven't watched. So yeah, that'll be mainly it for our tier list, guys. Now we're just gonna have to rank them, aka order them. So first one being Super, second one Punch Man. See, Naruto's going above it. Demon Slayer's going above it. He Bleach right here. Naruto like right here. Mob is going. I would say, but I don't know. I really didn't like the season 3 ending. Didn't like that, but I'm gonna put right here. I'm gonna put above it, and then I'm gonna put down to amazing. And then for amazing tier, as far as ranking it, we're gonna do, see, One Piece first. Matter of fact, now let's put in One Piece. Yeah, that's good. That's good. For Fairy Tail, we're gonna be doing. Let's see. Fairy Tail. Now, Fairy Tail's going on the bottom only because I haven't seen the rest of it. That's why it's going on the bottom. But for DBG, it's gonna go right here. My Hero, right here. On the bottom. That's good. For good tier, Jean yes. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Haven't watched, doesn't matter because I haven't watched it. Mediocre. In season 2, One Punch Man is worse than 4 and 5 of My Hero. I haven't really seen 5 that much. I've seen like 2 episodes of 5, so I really should say season 4. So, 4, we're gonna be putting it in. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Bad. Yes, that's good. Oh, okay. Here it is. Jujutsu Kaisen. We're gonna be turning in one of my favorites, but how good is it? We granted only one season came out, so I'm be doing it in the third at amazing. And guys, just because it puts up an amazing doesn't mean it's my favorite. Just that my favorite is the most ones that I watch. So I have seen one season of Jujutsu Kaisen because I put in amazing. So there you go there. I don't know though. I like JJK, but like I said, one season and one movie. That's it. And again, I haven't seen the movie. I don't read manga, by the way, only animes. I don't read manga, by the way, I only watch animes. So, I guess we can put this. Boom. That's better. That's it. That's my anime tier list video, guys. And another one coming your way, and it will be about the fan base of franchises. So, see you then. D Money Gang out.